Good morning and welcome all my dear students of class 1A and B. So today I am here to start a new chapter in your English 2. The name of the chapter is Best Friends. Chapter number 7, page number 46. Everyone can have your book for the reference. We are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Best Friends. Okay, so let's get started with the chapter. So before starting chapter, who is your best friend? Everybody must be having your best friends, right? So who is your best friend? And does your best friend like everything that you like? Whatever you like, does your best friend like all the things that you like? So it's not necessary that you both like the same thing, but sometimes you like something in common also, right? So it's good to have a best friend. It's very good to have a best friend. So, but it's not necessary, but it's not compulsory that when you are best friend, then you both will like the same thing also. Okay. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about these two best friends. Okay. We will see what is there in the story. So let's get started with the chapter. Everyone can have your book, page number 46 for the reference. Okay. So let's get started with the chapter. Daddy's best friend is Uncle Rana. Okay, the man in the green t-shirt is Daddy and the one in the blue t-shirt is Uncle Rana. Okay, so he must be having kid. So he is narrating the story. He is telling about why they both are best friend and how they spend their time together. Okay, so let's get started with the chapter. Daddy's best friend is Uncle Rana. They are neighbors. Who are known as neighbors? What is the meaning of neighbors? Neighbors means the one who stays very close. Okay, people living very close. That is the meaning of the neighbor. So they are neighbors also. Both of them play cricket and love to cook. Okay, they love to play cricket. Cricket is their favorite sports and they love to cook also. They love to play cricket together and they love to cook also. They like samosas. So their favorite food is samosas. Daddy and Uncle Rana work together and they work also together. They go for a job also to the same place. They play basketball also. They read books. They go for picnic together. So they are together all the time. They do everything together only. They play cricket together. They cook together. They go to the job together. And they play basketball together. They read books together. And they go for picnic also together. So both of them are like best friends. Okay, so they do everything together. They are not separated to each other. Okay, they are always together in each and everything they do. Okay, so let's get forward in the chapter. Uncle Rana bats well and Daddy is good at bowling. So they love playing cricket, as it is written in the first paragraph only. They love playing cricket. Okay, so Uncle Rana is a good at batting and Daddy is good at bowling. So they make a perfect pair to play cricket, right? One knows batting well and other one is good at bowling. So they make a perfect pair as a cricketer. So they like to play as one team. As they are best friends, they always prefer to play as one team only. Daddy does not like pakoras, but Uncle Rana loves them. So, as a best friend, it is, as I explained you in the starting only, when you are best friend, it is not necessary that you both like same thing in common. So, in this story also, what is the boy telling? Daddy does not like pakoras. He does not like eating pakoras, but Uncle Rana loves it. He loves eating pakoras, right? Daddy loves jalebis. He finds them yummy. So instead of pakoras, Daddy likes what? Daddy likes jalebis. He finds them yummy. So they both have different taste also. It is not that they love cricket. They are best friends. They love playing cricket. They love to cook. They go to the same place to work. So it is not compulsory that other things also they like. Okay, so So the daddy likes jalebi, and Uncle Rana, he loves eating pakoras. Daddy finds jalebi yummy, and Uncle Rana, he finds pakoras yummy. So it is good, it is okay to have like different taste in food. Okay, when you are best friend also, you can have different taste in food also. Okay, then daddy has a pet dog. So this daddy, he is having a pet dog. You can see a dog here. You can see a dog here. Daddy is having a pet dog. His name is Danny. What is his name? His name is Danny. This pet dog, his name is Danny, and daddy, it is his pet dog. Okay, then they go together for a long walk. Danny stands on his hind legs. What is hind legs? Hind legs means the back legs of an animal having four limbs. Okay, animals, those who are all the animals that are having four legs, like cow, goat, sheep, dog, cat, all these animals who has four legs, the backside leg, it is known as hind legs. Okay, so they go together for walk. Danny stands on his hind leg. So see, like he is standing here in his hind leg, right? So he is standing in his back leg. So the back leg of the animals having four limbs. Back leg of the animals having four limbs, that is known as hind leg. Okay, the back leg. Okay, then Danny stands on his hind leg when daddy tells him to stand. So whenever daddy tells Danny, stand up, then this dog, he stands in his hind leg. Okay, Danny lovingly puts his head on daddy's lap. So Uncle Rana and daddy gives him good food every day. They both love this dog a lot. His name is Danny. So they both love him a lot, and they give good food to him every day to eat. Daddy and Uncle Rana tells a lot of jokes to each other. So they both spend time together. So they tell jokes to each other and they laugh at their own jokes. Both of them, they tell jokes to each other and they laugh. Best friends may not always agree with each other. What is the meaning of agree? A-G-R-E-E. Agree means to have the same opinion. So best friends may not always agree with each other. Sometimes they may like different things. So when you are a best friend, so it is not necessary that you both have same opinion for each and everything. Your opinions can differ. Okay, and you might like your taste in some food might be different. So when you are best friend with someone, it is not necessary that your each and everything matches. You can differ also. Okay, different means not the same. What is the meaning of different? Not the same. But they always love to be with each other. In spite of that also, their opinions, there are some things which they do not like in common. They both have different taste in some different food also. Some opinions also differ, but still they are best friends. They love to spend time together. So as I explained to you in the starting of the chapter only, when you are best friend with someone, it is not necessary that you both like the same thing. Your opinion might differ also. So it is okay. After that also you still can be best friends. Okay, so in this story also it is like that only. They have many things in common. They both like to play cricket. Their favorite sports is cricket. They go for job together. They like to cook together. But when it comes to eating, daddy likes jalebis and Uncle Rana, he likes pakoras. But still they are best friend. They did not tell that they are not best friend, but still, and in further when we read in the chapter, their opinions also differ. They crack jokes to each other, but sometimes they do not agree to each other. They are like, their opinions are different for different things. So it is okay. So when you are best friend with someone, it is not necessary that you both have everything in common. You both have everything in same. Okay, it can differ also. So still after that also there are many different, like they do not like many things in common, but still they are best friends. Okay, so that's all in this chapter. So we will discuss now. We will know what is there in the word to know. Okay, we should always know this meaning of these difficult words. We will discuss now. So there is this words to know. Neighbors. Who are neighbors? People living very close. Everyone must be having neighbors. Everyone must be having some people who stays very close to your house. They are known as neighbors. Bowling. Bowling means the action of a bowler. When the everyone must, like, you must have seen cricket play, right? Cricket match. Everyone must have seen cricket match. So when the bowler, he throws the ball, that is known as bowling. The action of a bowler. When the bowler throws the ball, that is known as bowling. Hind leg. The back leg of an animal having 4 limbs. Animals which has 4 limbs, the back side of the leg, it is known as hind leg. Agree. Agree means to have same opinion. Agree means to have same opinion. Okay. Then different, not the same. Agree means to have the same opinion, and different means not the same. Okay. So that's all for today, my dear students. I hope you enjoyed reading this story about these best friends. So I'll all see you in the next video. Till then, be a good student, stay home, stay safe, and obey your parents, and follow your online classes also regularly. Okay, and do your work also, and neatly and clearly. Do not mess up. Do not write in a bad handwriting. Always do a clean work. Stay home, stay safe, and be a good children. See you all in the next class. And before finishing the video, what will you do now? You will all read the chapter. Every time I tell, after every video, it is compulsory for you all to read the chapter. Once, twice, thrice, as many times as you can, until and unless you are able to read all the words fluently on your own. When you are stuck somewhere, you can ask your parents for your help. Okay, but you build a habit of reading all the stories. Like, it's not only in English, in other subjects also. You read it. Until and unless you will not know what is written on the book, or you will not be able to read what is written, you will not be able to write answers also properly. So reading is very, very important to improve your vocabulary. So every time I finish some chapter in English, you go, like, you read it. Okay, after that, build a habit. Okay, I know you all are good students. You will do that. You read the chapter, and in the next video we will start with the new chapter, and you will get all the exercises in your WhatsApp group. Your class teacher will send you all the answers. Okay, have a good day, be a good children, and see you all in the next video.